there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'm sharing a project that I created for my stencil focus blog post, which is on the Altenew mixed media blog. So this stencil is called the Mega Bloom Stencil and I'm going to make it the focal point of my layout. It's a really large stencil and it will work really well on this 12 by 12 paper. So I'm going to take some baby pink ink. This is ink from the Spring Bouquet ink set, and just ink this all over the stencil using a makeup brush. These are the brushes I use when I'm blending. Then I'm going to add a darker shade at the bottom and just blend that into the top to get just different shades of that lovely bright pink. As you can see, this is really quick to do, and all I have to do now is pull away the painter's tape. I like putting painter's tape around my stencils just to make sure that I don't get any ink on the paper. So this is kind of a buffer zone, and at the same time it keeps my stencil down so it doesn't move around too much. Now that I'm done with the stenciling, I'm going to add a couple of strips of washi tape and just pop them just below the stencil. I'm also going to add a little reminder of this washi tape up in one of the top corners. Now once that's done, I'm going to take some fun washi tape from Altenew, die cut tape from Altenew. It's this lovely tape with these beautiful florals on it, and I'm going to cut a couple of those out and just add them to my layout. Some of them I'm going to stick directly to the layout, and others I'm just going to add some anti-static powder to take the stick off, and this will enable me to pop that onto some foam dots and add some dimension to the layout. Once I've got those washi tape elements on there, I'm going to add my photo. So as you can see, this is my photo. I'm going to place it, and that way I can pop down those floral elements. I like elements like these just to hang over the photo just a little bit. It kind of pulls everything together. Once that is done, all I'll have to do is add a title. For my title, I'm using a die cut Hello, which is die cut out of some black paper, which I inked up with some gold pigment ink from Altenew. And then I'll just add a bit of journaling and some sequins from Altenew as well. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you've got any questions or any comments, just pop them in the comment section. And for more information on all the products I have used here, please visit the Altenew Scrapbook blog. Thank you so much for joining me. Stay safe, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye-bye.